Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. You've heard of ChatGPT, Claude, and maybe even Grok AI. But what if I told you the real game changer is hiding inside a platform you probably forgot existed? Quora. Meet Poe AI, an AI platform that might just be the most underrated beast of 2025. And yes, it lets you talk to all the top models in one place. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What is Poe AI? Poe stands for Platform for Open Exploration, and it's built by Quora. It's not just a chatbot, it's an AI super app that gives you access to ChatGPT, Claude, Google, Palm, Llama, and other open-source models, all in one interface. How it works? You sign in and instantly switch between models like tabs in a browser. Want to ask Claude something deep? Jump in. Need GPT-4 for a code task? It's right there. You can create custom bots with personalities and prompt presets. No coding needed. Poe is like your AI operating system. Now let's see some best features of Poe AI. 1. Unified interface. No need to log into 5 different tools. 2. Bot Builder. Make your own GPT-style bot with just a few clicks. 3. Prompt Library. Poe gives you example prompts to spark ideas. 4. Cross-AI comparison. Ask the same question to Claude and GPT and compare instantly. Poe versus ChatGPT. Unlike ChatGPT, Poe lets you try multiple AIs in one place. Unlike Claude, it gives you flexibility and custom bots. Poe is perfect for creators, students, marketers, and developers, all in one window. Now let's see some examples on how to use Poe. For example, if you want to create a sarcastic bot to roast your friends, build it on Poe. Then just type this prompt in Poe, and your bot is ready. I'm typing a prompt as, "Create me a sarcastic bot to roast friends," and it will give you full code which you can use to create a bot and use that. Poe AI in 2025 is no joke. It's not just a chatbot, it's a hub for AI power users. If you're still only using one AI, you're missing out. Try Poe. Thank me later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next video.